AANGAN Architects beautifully blend tradition and modernity in their design of the house in Faliya. This architectural masterpiece strikes a balance between the user's traditional lifestyle and their modern aspirations. The house cleverly maximizes natural light by incorporating a linear court on the north side, which is shared with the neighboring house. This feature not only brings in an abundance of sunlight but also seamlessly blends the built structure with its surrounding landscape. Moreover, every space within the house is designed to connect with the lush greenery and sunlight, making them an essential part of the overall experience. The centerpiece of the house is a courtyard located in the middle of the linear space, which floods the indoors with ample natural light. The court features a swing and a dining platform, creating a sense of spontaneity within a garden-like environment. It also keeps the northern side open, allowing for day-long natural light and serving as the social hub of the house. This design also enables a continuous flow of air, thanks to the sectional play and cross-ventilation. This is especially crucial for humid climates and creates a comfortable indoor atmosphere.